Hey guys, it's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric, and today we're talking about one of the cleanest, meanest examples of Oldsmobile performance ever built. The 1970 442 W-30. Now this isn't just any 442. This one's the real deal. Factory built, matching numbers, and carrying Oldsmobile's legendary 455 cubic inch V8. We're talking about one of the most underrated engines of the entire muscle car era. 370 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque straight from Lansing, Michigan. Back then, those numbers weren't marketing fluff, they were the real deal. That big block breezed through a Rochester 4-barrel and a fully functional ram air system that pulls fresh air through those twin scoops in a fiberglass hood. Crack that hood open, see those red inner fender wells and that blacked out intake setup, and you instantly know this car was built for business. The W-30 package meant serious performance. Lightweight fiberglass hood, aluminum intake manifold, hotter cam, tuned distributor, and the unmistakable W-30 badging told everyone at the stoplight you weren't bluffing. Even the battery got moved to the trunk for better weight distribution. Oldsmobile was thinking about balance before most people even use the term handling. This particular car, finished in factory Aspen Green with a black vinyl top, nails that blend of class and muscle that Olds was famous for. It's got a quiet kind of confidence, not flashy, just right. It rides on 14-inch Super Stock 2 Rallye wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T's, and there's even a matching spare tucked neatly in the trunk. A small detail, but one that shows how carefully this car's been kept. Slide inside and it's pure 1970 luxury muscle. Black vinyl bucket seats, wood grain trim, sweeping across your dash and doors, and an iconic Hurst dual gate shifter sitting front and center, ready to let you drive it mild or wild. One gate for smooth cruising, the other for full throttle manual shifts. It's part muscle car, part executive express. Power steering, front disc brakes, dual sport mirrors, trumpet-style exhaust tips. Everything about this car is refined aggression. It's the kind of machine you can take to dinner downtown or hammer down a country road with equal confidence. This particular 442 went through meticulous refurbishment in the 2010s. Everything done right. The drivetrain, interior stitching. It's fully documented with photos and receipts, and since 2017, it's been pampered, preserved, and maintained to show quality standards. Even under the hood, the detailing looks better than when it rolled off the line of the Lansing. For me, the 1970 442 W-30 is a perfect storm of power, design, and attitude. Oldsmobile didn't just build a muscle car, they built a statement. Big torque, bulletproof engineering, and an unmistakable low-end growl that only a 455 can make. Back in the day, this was the kind of car that could humble the Chevelle SS, surprise the GTO, and still drive home in quiet comfort. It was Oldsmobile's masterpiece, the ultimate expression of their Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde philosophy. Even now, more than 50 years later, the W-30 still turns heads and stirs souls. It represents an era when Detroit built cars with personality, when performance met craftsmanship, and every drive felt like a celebration of American horsepower. This one right here, it's not just a survivor. It's a reminder of what true muscle was all about. Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscle Cars with Eric.